Washers are optional.
No, my biggest pet peeve on
Nobody cares how many washers you put on. It's how many pieces you get up.
On both up.
Now you're good to boom down. Still swinging right. Booming down, easy swing. One more small shot of right swing. I like the swing. Booming down, 25 feet.
It makes it easy for everybody. Going the right way, but you not watch the combo.
Guys, I don't like when the bottom hole guys.
Oh, we're going to let the washer. Baby washer.
5 more feet of boom down, Dave. Easy, boom. West.
West, y'all.
Ready? Letting it settle. Easy hoist down.
Thank you. You the man, you the man.
Working with 2 more feet.
She said.
One more foot.
Stepping on
High.
it. Going down. Yeah, okay. Big old foot in the way. Shit.
You got the funk. You got that funk. Where's the level? Give me this back corner, Kitty. Oh, my bad. Coming down, give me a little bit more
I
weight.
got a feeling that that's what runs down my way. I don't know though.
Yeah, I like it. Just tapping it. Yep, hitting the other one. Getting up on it. Giving me all the weight there, Dave. It looks good, homie. Way better than the first one. Yeah, it's money, Holmes. We made up for that last one. Coming down for loose. Easy swing right. That's good on your line. Easy swing right. One more small dog down. Swing. You're close, Ryan.
Riggers, get that pin on the east side of the column. Denver.
All right, we're working, swinging right, hoisting up, booming up. And up, all clear.
Hey, you know what else to help? Firewood.
Hoisting down with the boom down. Got 10 more feet of boom down. Easy boom.
Shakalaka.
And boom.
Shakalaka.
Hoisting down 2 feet till I touch my hand on it. I got 6 more feet of line down. Easy. High. That says north, homie.
Just looking at the weed ball.
Oh, isn't that an N?
Chakalaka.
That looks like an N to me. What we got? We got a 1, 2, how many? A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's work wise. I like it. It just has an in. I don't know.
And for ninja.
All right, Dave, we're booming down. Nice and easy like. Still booming down.
People try to catch it and hold it. They always fucking stop with the bounce.
Boom, hoisting down. Working with 6 inches. One dog down. It's just that we're at the end of the anchor bolts, bro. I hope the elevation's right.
These are no bueno, bro.
Packed in sand, dog. Hitting that one when you can. Yep. Leaning like a cholo. Corner. And then yours. I already have the weight. See if you can get loose on that. One dog down for loose. You gotta whip it. And we're booming up, swinging right. Swing, boom, hoisting up. Up, all you.
I got 2 stick kicks. Make that 3. Oh yeah, motherfucker. Oh no, bro, I got 2, 4, 6 kids, bro. 2 dogs. That's got 3. Not right now. Every time I look at one, there's 2. Give Daddy some more of that purple drink. That's not Sir Daddy. Shut up. Purple drink.
All right, Dave, good on your hike, swinging right.
Maybe Russell brought it. Say that.
This one's gonna be like 40 feet off the center pin, 45 feet off the center pin.
need.
I took a blood test with you yesterday, so.
Wrong.
They gonna x-ray my brain. See if-
Hoisting down, still swinging right.
Fucked up too. His been beat the fuck all the time. I got so many pictures of him face
That's
fucked up.
high, booming down, still swinging right.
Oh god. I got one on my phone.
Easy swing. We're still swinging right there. Getting close, still swinging. That swing. Easy boom. Still booming down. One small shot of left swing. And boom.
Shakalaka.
Block's going crazy. That where it wants to sit?
Pretty close, dog.
All right, booming down. Boom, one small shot of left swing. 1 foot, nice and easy. And we're hoisting down, we're going 3 feet.
What she said.
Looking good. Another 2 feet of hoist down. 1 more foot. High.
Kick it.
Or use your bar. God damn it! Going.
I'll give you a little lift.
Yep.
What's your finger? See it, cowboy.